Hi everyone, Universe here. So right now I'm going to show you my updated character progression and also my PvP stats, okay? So right now I'm going to show you my character stats. Okay, so here are my PvP stat points, allocation. And then here are my general stats. I have 9,394 P attack, 3,163 P def with 3,049 equipment P def. Okay, so I also have 1,028 MDef, 9,509 equipment MDef. Okay, so right now I only have 218 crit, but like what I mentioned before, it is recommended to have 220 crit. Okay, so I also have 34 crit damage, 109.88 P damage, and then for my PvP damage reduction and damage bonus, I have 2,396, 2,439 damage bonus. I have 77.39 P damage reduction. I have 44% M damage reduction. Okay. And then here are my special stats. Okay, so next is my skills. Okay, so I think for the first job, second job, and trans job, the only difference I used for my build is I have the Envenom Blade. So technically I use this for chasing enemies, but it don't have mini stun, but at least you have the means to chase the enemy. Okay, for me it's working. Okay, and then next is my equips. Here are my updated equipments. Okay, so I got lucky for the past few days. My weapon already is plus 20, and my accessories is already Glassheim ready. It's already plus 16, and also I have plus 15 shield. Yeah, so whenever I wanted to switch to shielded jobs, yeah, I'm already ready for it. Okay, so next is let's go to enchants. I think this is still the same. Yeah, here are my PvP stats for now. And for this, before I have triple luck, but now I changed it to triple PDEF. Okay, same with goes with my mouth. For my weapon, yeah, still superior crit 6. Look at this, I am very unlucky. I'm chasing for superior crit 8, but unluckily I got range boon 8, I got QCD 8. So yeah. Okay, so next, yeah, still the same. Git boost 4, P damage 4, crit 7, PvP 6, and PvP 4. Okay, so next is I think my divine armament. Yeah, still the same for the previous video. Yeah, here are my PvP stats. Okay, so next I'm going to show you guild skills. Okay, so here for the guild skills, priority, this one, the ignore def and the character defense, and you can level up after the character attack. Okay, so next is mount. Yeah, still the same. I'm trying to 1000 this first, the brave and charisma, and then afterwards I'll just use the sunshine kiwi to to train all this. Okay, so for equip, yeah, dexterity barding, sturdy barding, protector barding, and strength barding are already level 49. So next week maybe I could break through this dex barding. Okay, so next is pet. Yeah, here are the pets that I use for PvP. Okay, so yeah, next is my feather setup. Okay, so here are my feather setup. Actually, yeah, for the attack, this could be swapped to Justice. Okay, so for PvE, I am using Valor, but for PvP, I am changing this to Justice. Then same feather setup for defense. I showed it to you already before. Yeah, Soul, Night, Divine, Light, and Dark. So currently I have tier 12 attack feathers and T7 defense feathers. Okay, so next is medals. Yeah, medal of bravery, medal of heroism, charm, and tempest. Okay, so next is my cards. I already showed it to you before, guys. I have full set of album belt for different scenarios, PvE and PvP. Okay, so here are my current setup. Here's my cards. So yeah, unluckily, yeah, on the MVP card album, I got Pharaoh. So I'm thinking to switch on Prof later on, since I already have plus 15 shield and I have 2 Taras. Okay, so yeah, as you can see. So right now, my card on my equips are, here's my PvP for demi-humans. Yeah, I use a PvP to Hydra. And then if there's a Pali, I'm switching it to PvP Preoni. Okay, but now, yeah, I'm going to show you my card setup for PvP to Hydra. Okay, still, yeah guys, I am still on the White Wing set. Yeah, Cornotus, still Baphomet Jr. And then later on, yeah, swap it to Friedrich. Yeah, still the same. Yeah, I use Matir because it's have Agi and max HP plus P damage reduction. For the Swift Mantis, Horong, and Swift Mantis. Yeah, I also have PvP without sight, because if ever there's no Assassin Cross, yeah, I'm switching this. And then I have Swift Mantis, Mantis. Okay, so let's go back to Hydra. Yeah, Cramp de Verucci, Captain Puppet. Yeah, so for my mouth, yeah, because I'm lacking of the Puppet album, so I just use first the baby pacifier, since it have demi-human damage reduction plus 2%. Okay, so for my backwear, I use Drake Puppet for P damage reduction. And then, yeah. Okay, so next is yeah, I showed it to you my cards already. Okay, so next is, yeah, the first thing you need to do after you finish all the dailies, you could focus on your monster research. As you can see, I'm doing my monster research now. I only have level 27. So yeah, you can do this next after dailies. And then card album. You need to collect all the cards you need. And for physical, you need to have this Drake, Prio, Baphomet, Archero. Yeah, you can also have this for attack speed. So this additional HP. And then this one, Illusion Moonlight for additional movement speed. And Edga for additional P damage reduction. So yeah. Okay. So I think that's it.